The Factory 5 F9 car has been praised for its sleek, modern design, which pays tribute to some of the most iconic sports cars of the past. But what specific design elements from these vehicles inspire the F9's unique aesthetic? In this video, we'll take a closer look at the F9's design inspiration and what makes it such a visually stunning machine. Let's get talking. One of the most obvious inspirations for the F9 car's design is the Ford GT40. This iconic sports car made its debut in the 1960s and is still celebrated for its sleek, aerodynamic lines and powerful V8 engine. The F9 car pays homage to the GT40 with its mid-engine layout, which places the engine behind the driver and allows for optimal weight distribution and handling, although it features a more advanced V12 engine. However, the Type 65 configuration, which was initially intended to accommodate an LS engine, gives those wishing to employ a more conventional V8 for power far more options when selecting a power plant for their projects, with only budget acting as a limiting factor. But the F9 car isn't just a copy of the GT40, it also incorporates design elements from other classic sports cars, such as the FERRARI 330 P4. This Italian beauty is widely regarded as one of the most beautiful cars ever made, thanks to its sweeping curves, low profile, and aggressive stance. The F9 car takes inspiration from the P4's front end, which features a narrow, pointed nose and large air intakes that give the vehicle a menacing look. Another classic sports car that influenced the F9's design is the Lamborghini MIURA. This Italian masterpiece was one of the first supercars, featuring a mid-engine layout and a low aerodynamic profile. The F9 car takes cues from the MIURA's flowing lines and sculpted body, which give the vehicle a dynamic, fluid appearance. Of course, the F9 car isn't simply a mishmash of design elements from other vehicles, it also incorporates its own unique touches that make it stand out from the crowd. For example, the F9 features a floating roofline that appears to hover above the car's body, giving the vehicle a futuristic, almost otherworldly feel. This effect is achieved by using thin, lightweight A-pillars and a glass roof that extends almost all the way to the back of the car. Another unique feature of the F9 car is its customizable bodywork. Unlike many sports cars that come with a fixed body design, the F9 can be customized with a variety of body panels and styling options, allowing owners to create a truly unique vehicle that reflects their personal taste and style. This modular approach also makes it easier to repair and replace damaged bodywork, which can be a significant advantage for high-performance vehicles that are often pushed to the limit on the track. Of course, creating a visually stunning sports car like the F9 isn't just a matter of copying the designs of past classics. It also requires a deep understanding of aerodynamics, materials science, and engineering. The F9 car's designers spent countless hours in wind tunnels and on the track, testing different body shapes and materials to achieve the perfect balance of speed, handling, and stability. One of the key challenges in designing a high-performance sports car like the F9 is achieving optimal weight distribution. Because the F9 car features a mid-engine layout, with the engine located behind the driver, it can be challenging to distribute the vehicle's weight evenly and prevent oversteer or understeer. To overcome this challenge, the F9's designers use lightweight materials like aluminum and carbon fiber to keep the vehicle's weight as low as possible, while also incorporating advanced aerodynamic features like a rear diffuser and side skirts to enhance downforce and stability at high speeds. One interesting aspect of the Factory 5 F9 car is its use of 3D printing technology. The F9 car features a number of custom parts that were created using 3D printing, including the brake ducts, side mirror mounts, and rear wing end plates. By using 3D printing, the F9's designers were able to quickly and easily create high-quality, precise parts that fit perfectly with the rest of the vehicle. Another unique aspect of the F9 car is its digital cockpit system, which uses a custom digital instrument cluster to display key information about the vehicle's performance. This system features a large central display that shows real-time data on speed, RPMs, gear position, and other critical metrics, as well as smaller displays that show information on fuel levels, oil pressure, and other important systems. The digital cockpit system is designed to be easy to read and use, even at high speeds or in intense racing conditions. In addition to its high-performance design and advanced technology, the Factory 5 F9 car is also notable for its relatively low cost compared to other high-end sports cars. The F9 car is available as a kit that can be assembled by the owner, which helps to keep costs down while also giving owners the satisfaction of building their own custom sports car from scratch. The F9's modular design also makes it easy to upgrade or modify the vehicle over time, allowing owners to continue customizing and improving their vehicle as their needs and preferences change. Overall, the Factory 5 F9 car is a unique and innovative sports car that combines classic design elements with advanced technology and engineering, while also paying tribute to some of the most iconic sports cars of the past. Whether you're a racing enthusiast or simply appreciate the beauty and craftsmanship of high-end sports cars, the F9 car is sure to impress with its sleek, modern design and impressive performance capabilities. Share your thoughts below to let us know if you think the F9 might have had inspirations from other cars as well, and make sure to boot the like button because that is a real way to let us know this video was helpful to you guys. We're going to be talking more about this car in the future, so if you don't want to miss out on any updates, make sure to subscribe to our channel. While we've only talked about what might have inspired inspired the idea of making the F9 car in this video, but over on that video, we go more in-depth on the F9 specifications, how soon you should be expecting it, and exactly what to expect. So make sure to watch that video next.